Hey guys! Today we're going to be talking about resilience, which I kind of define as our ability to be okay, even in difficult circumstances. And there's really two different approaches to this. Most of us, without realizing it, we kind of have an internal definition of I'm okay if. I'm okay if my job is going well, if my relationship is going well, if my family's not mad at me. We don't realize we're doing it, but if we actually stop and look at it, then we might kind of realize like, ooh, yeah, there are a few areas where I'm kind of saying like, oh, no, like as long as we don't touch that, everything else is okay. But if we start to admit to ourselves, that's kind of a precarious strategy. Because we do lose our jobs, our cars break down, our relationships end. And if that was the foundation for when we feel okay, what happens when it ends? So there's another way of doing it though. To really be able to define for yourself, I'm okay, period. I'm okay even if I lose my job, even if my girlfriend leaves me, even if I'm okay. And it's a massive, massive shift. I like to use the metaphor that for a lot of us, it kind of feels like we're swimming out in the middle of the ocean and the waves are crashing on top of us and we're trying to keep our head above water, but it's just, we're barely hanging on sometimes. And that kind of metaphorically represents, I'm okay if. I'm okay if the waves don't crash on top of me too hard. I'm okay if. But it makes such a big difference if we can flip it for ourselves and metaphorically find a little desert island that we can crawl onto. Doesn't have to be much of anything. Maybe it's just a bit of sand and one single palm tree. But to have the sense, okay, I'm on my little island. I have the ground underneath my feet. Woo, it sure is wavy out there, but I'm okay right here. And if we can do that, what a shift it makes in our life. We're still going on the ups and downs, but we have a bit of sense that we're grounded. We're okay. We have some internal place of courage and calm that we can retreat to, even when it gets rocky out there. So for everybody watching out there, I hope that you do have some sort of island somewhere inside, some feeling of confidence and calm that you can retreat to, even when the going gets tough out there. But if you don't, well, give us a call. We can work with you to try to find that. Thanks for tuning in.